did want this that.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Masicka's album 438 is one of the best dancehall / reggae album coming out of Jamaica for 2022, and not only say it is one of the best for 2022, based on records, it is one of the best dancehall album in history. Speaking of Masicka, Gage Almighty released a very controversial song titled Waa Gwaan, and if you ask me, couple artists get this while couple artists get big up. Whole heap of things him say night. Him call everybody name. Alkaline name get called. Masicka name get called. Popcorn name get called. Tamil, yo, everybody name get called. You know, definitely I go want to hear about that. Footah hype. We see him forward what here as usual, and you don't know once you do certain things, especially if you are part of the alphabet community. Footah hype I go give you a beating, and we see him come out lashing and give Coffee a wicked beating for the song we should do with Sam Smith. Shortly after that, Footah I forward and I make the people them know say yo, him life possible in danger because he might get death threat from whole heap of people from all angles because of the things them we him see about Coffee. We see Jafrass the other day, him post a picture with himself on a hospital bed, and me not lie, as a good artist, an artist I really rate and respect, even me feel like and I say, Judge, I'm hope the DJ good. You don't know people in the comment section and I say, oh, get well soon, me DJ, hopes everything alright. People is go as far and ask, Waa Gwaan, why Jafrass in that situation? Little did we know that that was just a clipping from a music video. And even though I'm an artist, it just goes to show the extent where some people would have got just for a little light, or just for some people, just for a few eyes look in upon them. We have all of that to talk about and much more. But before we go further in the details, may I ask you to do me one favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. You reach this far, so please may I go ask you, give this video a like. We'll get straight into it. So dancehall artist Masicka, him released an album titled 438 in, I think it was late December 2021. So you don't know, them have to compare it or check the streamings with the 2022 numbers. So when them compare it with all of the album them from Jamaica, both reggae and dancehall, Masicka's album basically did the best. In fact, it created history, did something that no other album from Jamaica has ever done before. It was the album we spent the most weeks in the top 10 on the Apple Music chart, and this is what we see TVJ post, and we just have to say yo, kudos to Masicka. From day one, me tell you say this is by far my best and favorite album ever from a dancehall artist. The only album where we can listen through its entirety and don't skip a track or don't skip out none of the song them. That just show how good the album is, and me love Waa Gwaan, me love the look.
That Waa Gwaan. Waa Gwaan in a dancehall.
Waa Gwaan in a dancehall.
Them say the hardcore business get too soft. Big up every young star, me see a shooter.
Yo, you can't see say Gage hurt about this. If you know say dancehall is a hardcore industry, and yo, everything just gets so soft. This I know when Ninja Man and Super Cat and Shabba and Bunty and Beanie them bill. If you see water down to this and everybody afraid of this, everybody afraid of that, is like it just turned a little girls guide game. Madness. That our Gage I talk about, and that our Gage I ask. Anyway, pause the review for a second. Starting tomorrow, January 20, 2023, I'll be launching a new series here on Line TV titled Uncut. It is not much different from what we are doing now. The only thing is that we are trying to separate the news contents from the entertainment content. Because me personally don't like to mix them. So if you see a boat get chopped round there so, if one woman get robbed round there so, and if one man head get bust out up there so, we are going to forward yes so. And we are going to talk about it just as it is. We not pretty up or polish up nothing. Another huge benefit of this series is that the audience will stay updated with everything we are going in a Jamaica and with Jamaicans, not just when it comes down to entertainment. Last but not least, this simply means that we will get more contents on a daily and a weekly basis. So stay tuned. Tomorrow, new series a drop. So we'll get back to the review and hear what else Gage have to say.
Fans on the wait, make me talk to for my sister, my brother them. Every time one of them rise and fall, it's like another friend gone.
Yeah man, lyrics are spit without a doubt. Bad song.
Big up yourself, Shen, me see you drop the beats again. Your fans them, I yard love you, hope you still remember them. Skill it.
Shensia, we see the Benz where you drop what the air. You understand what I say? Yeah, they are foreign now, but remember, you see your fans them a yard, them still love you, them still a support you. Do not forget them. At that Gage just say right there so. And you don't know when you're in the industry. You consider the people them when in the industry with you as your sister and your brother them or as your co-workers. And at that Gage I tell them say, yo, you see anytime him see when I artist friend them rise and then them fall, yo, him feel it to him core because Gage himself know what it feel like to rise and fall, not just once, not just twice, but we'll check out some more.
Them skilly bang, Waa Gwaan with the bang. Shelly place and from the contract sign not tight again.
Question, Waa Gwaan with the bang skilly?
Alkaline know you're influential and you did a lot. Nothing can snatch it, but if you did, you not fi video that. Valley,
From you shell the place and you get the new contract, and no, we can't see another hit Alkaline. We know you're influential. You see me? But you see if you do that thing there, which we probably know say you do it, you never need to video it, my lad. And at that Gage just right there. So, and if you don't know what exactly it mean when you say, yo, Alkaline, you know have to video it, yo, check out him recent music video. And you know what we are talking about.
Valley, we see the video with Papi. Hope him did tell us sorry. As an artist, we so big him should have learned from Addy.
Valiant and Popcorn, the long time video there. Who did see it? Anyway, we not touch upon that yet. Check out some more track.
Masicka, know you're bad lyrically, fear nobody. You know things can depend your level cause him pop the molly. But I mean,
yeah man, the same video there with Valiant and Popcorn on stage, and to be honest, the people them never did really like how Valiant are going. Them never really accept him or give him the reception what him supposed to get or what Valiant did need, and we done so what Popcorn say. Popcorn basically style him. You see me? So what it Gage and make Popcorn know say brother as a big artist, you should have learned from Vybz Kartel, boss man. You can't do that to the youth them. See there right now, Valiant are one of the biggest thing in the industry right now. Masicka, we know you're a bad artist. We know you're not afraid of nobody. But you can't go and like see your king not upon your level just because him say yo him a pop Mali. No boss man. And this we are work for all long and we reach that stage. So why we are back down and go and like see you bigger than this other man upon our level. Madness. That's what Gage just say.
you remember how we did one this long. Yeah. I know.
Yo, what really a go on? Wonder if the man them really understand and remember. Oh, we did want this as a youth growing up, and I say, yo, we are going to dance. I want to be the biggest thing, want to be a bunty, want to be a beanie, a ninja man. No, we in the industry and reach that stage, and we are checking out and I go on like so we are idiot to soft up the music business. Yo, our really a go on. We forget how we did want this.
I know if you start breathe smart, how comes Alkaline and Kartel no have a collaborate that?
Yo, right now, me not go no further in the review for the song. Ya. Me I left it right which part Gage left it right ya so. Oh, Alkaline and Vybz Kartel no have a collab yet, dog. Yo, we need to pretty smart, my youth. We need to pretty smart. So, yo, me I left it right ya so. If you no want go check out the rest of the track, which I suggest you do, me I go make sure to me pin a link in the description so you can go check out the full track for yourself. Cause yo, whole heap of other name get called after this, so go check it out. So quick and fast, we see Jafrass post that picture upon him Instagram what there, and as I say, whole heap of people I send some love and some respect, and them just a open a prayer and a beg say yo, get well soon me DJ. Only if you know say yo the man do this in order to promote a new track where him drop about a day or two after. And when me message me I say yo, me understand say a man would do anything or would do certain things just to reach out, they just for there in the limelight, but yo, yes when they come on to play with your life, my youth, a serious thing that you know, a serious part that you are chat pan, you know, we actually make people show so much remorse. I say, yo, I worry they go on with the DJ. Why the DJ they on hospital bed and that drip and them thing there? Only if you know, say, yo, promote him and promote a music video. Jafrass, me no love that. And him not the first artist will do this same thing with hospital. Him not the first. And him definitely will not be the last. But me will say, do not be the little boy we cry wolf. That's how me I go left it. Footah hype now. We see Coffee and Sam Smith do a song the other day. You see me? Footah hype definitely never love you. And you know one thing with Footah, even though sometimes tell you say yo him chat too much and him a hypocrite, Footah hype I go tell you as it is, and him forward and him beat Coffee, him beat the Rasta them run Coffee, the Chronics, the Protege them, everybody. Then now we see later where him a say yo, him a get death threat. Cause them a say like him should have said this about Coffee and said that about Coffee. But me personally no really believe say yo it is that extreme. Remember, Footah hype forward and in this bigger than Coffee, Footah hype say worse things even about Coffee already. So why is no them threat they go forward? And we see clearly say Coffee do not care what people say. Coffee just a do our thing. We see the Protege and Chronics them do not care what people say about them when it comes down to their affiliation with Coffee. We see that. So why and now Footah I go get death threat? I don't know. But if you don't know, tell me down below in the comment section. And as I say, stay tuned. New series starting tomorrow named Uncut. Everything we are going to just say it as it is. When I pretty up or polish up nothing. In the meantime, subscribe and like this video. Bless up.